Okay, so it's been 48 hours since the last update, and can you see it? 270 feet of fence posts are up, and down the front of the house, and I even managed to put up, like a foot of pickets. This is a really a weird setup here. So, well, for those of you who are interested, I'll show you how I'm doing this. So the 3 2x4s are running between the 4x4s, and they're not getting mounted to the face or to the back. What I'm doing is putting in these pocket holes that kind of screw in at an angle right into the sides of the post. And then, this will all make sense a little bit why I'm doing this in a little bit. But, so then I'm hooking the pickets straight to the front of it, and I'm going to buzz off the top dog ears. And actually this will all get framed and covered up anyway, the tops and the bottoms. And there'll be a top rail, but you'll just kind of have to wait to see how that goes. But anyway, yeah, 270 feet. All the posts went in well except for one. There's one which I don't think you could see, and I don't feel like walking all the way down there because I'm running out of daylight. But there's one all the way down there. Oh, beautiful sunset. I've been actually loving being outside. Working indoors, I kind of miss being out here. Maybe I'll be able to retire this year. I'm just like one entire retirement short of doing that. But there was one post down there anyway that we got maybe 20 inches down, and all of a sudden hit solid concrete. And tried to chisel it, tried to drill through it, tried to do everything to break it up. Absolutely could not. So we made some crossbars on the bottom of the 4x4, and we had those holes drilled out where the old cement could attach to the new cement. And we're just going to hope for the best. And it's not part of a gate or anything, so that one's a little bit shallow. Here you can see kind of all the way down there. And then additionally, so that's our the front of our house that had no fencing at all. Did I finish talking about that post, the special post? Anyway, it's not part of a gate. It's got plenty of really deep posts on either side of it, so it should be fine. Then over here, this is the garage, and off of the garage we have a bunch of posts we put in going across here, and these were just done. You can kind of see here that the cement is still wet. These were all just done today, so they need to set for 24 hours before I can do anything with these. And then at each of the driveways, instead of putting a 4x4, put a big 6x6. I'm hoping it'll be plenty sturdy. I would like to I'm going to try and really build a strong gate here that I'm hoping anyway will not sag and not need like a wheel on it, whatever they call that. So yeah, that's the update for now. All the posts are in. It took a couple days. It was a lot of hard work digging. We had rain come through a couple times, and all that rain refilled a lot of the holes that we already dug. So almost 3.5 feet. We had to redig to 3.5 feet again. And the frost line in Michigan's just, if you don't dig that deep, you have a risk of the frost in the winter shoving the post right back out of the ground. So yeah, it's nice to see those first, where do I do? Those first 3 pickets right there, first 3 pickets in, and I'm focusing on making sure that all the rails going across are really straight, and so far I think I've done a pretty good job. That looks pretty straight, doesn't it? That looks straight to you? I think it looks straight. So trying to get all these level so that everything looks straight all the way across. But yeah, starting tomorrow the pickets should go up. Then some of you watching this will know this and some of you won't, but in about 14 months from now, this wild area here that has been overgrown for 40 to 50 years is probably going to be hosting a wedding. Me and Mallory are already married, but somebody else is probably going to be getting married right there. So it's got a little ways to go to look beautiful. I mean, wedding day beautiful, but it'll get there. Anyway, it's getting ready to be dark, and oh, I've gotten some sun. It's getting ready to be dark, and got to get these tools put away just in case. I don't want anybody to have a crime of opportunity. But I'll do another update in a day or two. We're actually going to go to the zoo in the morning, and then I'll be working it all afternoon and evening. And so I'll probably give another update in like another 48 hours, depending on how fast things are going. All right, until then.